Hello everyone, here I am at Stonehenge, and so this is a video of me just after doing a very deep healing on Stonehenge. This morning I was getting specific guidance to work with Stonehenge specifically because there has been so much contamination at this site that has lasted thousands of years. And basically what has happened is with all of these stones that have been scattered, especially see this stone right here. You can see like a metal slab underneath, so of course it was a broken off stone. And so again, they used a metal slab to try and prop this one back up. But this does not at all have the potency that it once did. In fact, it was much more looking at a crime scene. This was not a good place to come to before doing the work that I was doing here this morning. This whole site was completely radioactively contaminated, and radioactively contaminated representing that on a life force energy level. If we're looking at vibrational radiesthesia terms, there was basically scattered horizontal negative green vibration that was just polluting this entire area, scattering it for miles and miles. And as soon as I got here, I could feel like my chest, my neck, my throat was very, very heavy. It was not a good feeling being here at all. This was not a good feeling being at Stonehenge. So basically I was just being guided to go in and just clear out a lot of the blood sacrifices that have been happening here, because there were druids that were being sacrificed at this site thousands of years ago. And it wasn't just a blood sacrifice. They were being disemboweled. They were having their organs ripped out. They were just being completely ravaged by very, very savage, aggressive Norsemen. And that is exactly what has been on this site for thousands of years. When this site was torn down, whoever was tearing it down, whoever was responsible for that, didn't have a clue of what they were doing. They basically were starting, whether they were knocking down stones or anything of that nature, they basically disrupted the entire energy system that was applied here. And you basically had a whole bunch of negative green, horizontal negative green vibration scattered everywhere. It's like looking at all these satellites that basically have been skewed, and they're basically just taking their source energy and just scattering it all over the place. And it was not a good idea for people to stay here for the long term. It would basically lead to disastrous side effects, sicknesses, illnesses, cancers, everything would have happened here for people who were staying here for a very long time. So I was just being guided this morning to really come to the site, look into it, see exactly what was going on, and then just being able to clear it out completely. Now it's a very, very different vibration. I was doing some testing with pendulums, and now this checks into the green regarding source vibration, and all of that negative energy has now been completely cleansed from the site, and it's all thanks to Spirit. So now it's okay. But back before I arrived today, this was a disaster area. This was much more of a crime scene. As far as monolithic sites go, it was not something that was benevolent. It was not something that is good to bring the family to. It was horrific. This was a crime scene. It was good for people not to be here. But that's all changed now, so it's again a lot more of a different vibration now. So I just wanted to give this report. I'll probably be talking about it more in future videos. Hope you're all doing well. Blessings to you from Stonehenge. Take care.